get comfortable. Don't look at my toes. Hello, Albert. My first ever like real big girl yarn haul. I almost said yarn haul. Yarn haul. My name's Paloma. I'm an illustrator. I don't really make fiber arts content, but I love fiber arts and I love knitting. I learned how to knit last October, but this is my first time ordering yarn and like ordering a lot of it. I've basically ordered all the yarn I'll need for my projects for the rest of the year. I've only ever ordered yarn one other time. It was to make this cute little bonnet scarf situation. Pretty much like to shop locally, or like when I travel, I like to visit different yarn stores. First, we have Lang Cloud yarn. If you are a knitter, you probably know about this yarn. I have not been able to find any in store, at least here in Texas and Houston. We don't really have a lot of huge yarn stores, at least not that I know of. And so I haven't found any stores that carry the Lang Cloud yarn. So I decided to go ahead and order enough skeins to knit a sweater. Hold on. Maybe I ordered too many. Ordered 6 of these. No, I think I ordered a good amount. I have never made a pullover sweater. Weirdly enough, I've been knitting for almost a year and I have never made a pullover sweater. So this is the yarn that I will be using to make my first pullover sweater. It is pretty chunky. I don't remember what the weight is on this. I think maybe bulky? Who knows? This is a pretty big yarn, so it'll work up fast, and it is self-striping, so it'll be pretty. I picked this out in the color 1077. That's what it says here, or 0020. That doesn't seem like that's the color that I ordered. Like, I know this is the color I ordered, but I don't remember what the number is, but this says 1077. And it's a really nice blend of like olive to brown with like some orange swirls around here. I hope it looks pretty in stripes. I picked this because it doesn't seem to be as popular, and also I like earth tones, but I can't really wear like purpley jewel tones, just not my vibe. So I picked out this one. I will be knitting my first sweater with it. Probably gonna do the step-by-step sweater by Florence because that's everybody's first sweater, and I don't want to get too frustrated. So that is probably what I'm gonna do with this yarn next, which is actually my next project. I got a bunch of these Drops Belle Unicolor. I got them in the color Zinc. These are a blend of cotton, viscose, and linen, and I got these to do a little summer knit. I am going to be knitting the free poncho pattern that Avrapala made. I am really into ponchos. I don't know, something about hitting your mid-20s makes you really like ponchos. Maybe that's just me, but I'm really into them. And I haven't made any summer knits. I kind of took a break from knitting for a couple of months, mostly because like it's hot outside. It is so hot. I live in Texas and it's so hot. So like the vibe isn't really there to knit, but I did miss working with my hands. So I will be picking this up as soon as I finish my current project, because I actually did start something a couple days ago. I'm gonna show you because why not? But this is just a self-drafted tube scarf. I say self-drafted very lightly because this is quite literally just 27 stitches of stockinette back and forth with like color work on it. But I am about halfway because this, I want it to be able to like twist around and then come back down. So yeah, I'm about a little bit over halfway. So this is my current project. I should be done with it within the next week. So once I'm done with that, I will use my Drops Belle to make that poncho, and it's gonna be so nice for summer nights. Okay, next thing that I see is my silk, my mohair kid silk, or whatever it's called. Yeah, okay. I bought 6 of these, which I probably won't need all 6 for my project. This one is in the color, I think it's called Midnight. Just says color 64, but yes, I think it's Midnight. It's like this super dark grayish blue. And I really want to make like one of those super airy long sleeve tops. Like it's borderline a sweater, but it's like super see-through, all mohair. I really want to make one of those. So I will be using these to make one of those. I'll probably only end up using 4 of these, but I can always use more mohair. I love mohair and kid silk and all that fun stuff. So I picked up enough to make that. I haven't decided on what pattern. I have a couple saved in my Ravelry. I feel like I want to go for an off the shoulder thing. I don't know if I want that or if I want it to be a little tighter and a little bit more like a top. I haven't decided. I need to confirm the pattern that I am going to be using this yarn for, but my plan is to do a striped cardigan. I have it saved on my Ravelry. Like, I had to make sure that I was buying enough of each of my colors. Oh my gosh. For the sweater. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing the Ship Shape cardigan by Heidi Kiermaier. Picked up Drops Puna for this. It is a superfine alpaca. It's so soft. I'm really pleasantly surprised. So I got, my main color of the stripes is gonna be this super dark brown. It's like almost black. Super, super dark brown. It's not super chocolatey. It kind of has some gray in it. So that'll be my dark color. And then for my light color, got the same Drops Puna, and then I got it in, I believe this is the natural one, color 04. So it's like this nice taupey color. I just thought like the low contrast of the stripes would be so cute. I mean, it's almost this, my shirt is a little more gray, but similar vibe, but it's gonna be a cardigan, and I'm really excited. Now that I've actually touched this yarn in real life, I am super excited to knit this, but this will probably be more towards the end of my year, probably honestly going into winter 2027, because I have some other stuff that I want to do first. Finally, lastly, possibly the thing I'm most excited about that I also didn't buy enough of, so I had to order a couple more balls. But I ordered a bunch of this Lang Donegal tweed. I have daydreams about yarn like this. I love yarn that is one color, but it has like a bunch of little specks and swirlies inside of it of different colors. It's my favorite, especially when it's like a neutral like this gray, and then it just has like super bright colors scattered all throughout it. So I accidentally only bought 6. I don't know why I did that, but I needed 6 more. So I'll have double of this. And this is going to be used to make, I need to pull it up on Ravelry. It's gonna be for my second ever sweater, because I wanna do this one first. And then I have, I believe, yes, sweater number 30 by My Favorite Things. It's like this super oversized sweater with like a high turtleneck. I'll probably not make the turtleneck as high as the pattern, but that is the vibe I'm going for this yarn. I want it to be like this super oversized, slouchy, comfy, cozy sweater, and I'm so excited about this yarn. This is like my favorite that I ordered, but I'm also really pleasantly surprised that my Lang Cloud yarn color is so pretty. Like it took me forever to place this order because I was so nervous about the cloud yarn and like all the different colors that they offer. I feel like color number 12 is super popular. It's like the most popular one because it's just the most neutral. Like it has a bunch of browns and like deep jewel tones. But I kept seeing that purple in there and that like sunset orange. I felt like it wasn't gonna be very me. So this one with the green, I like. And that's it. That's it for my haul, you guys. I really wanted to show you because I'm really excited about it and I really love knitting. And knitting has really, it's really become a nice hobby to have completely outside of my job as an illustrator. I love my job, but having knitting as something that I get to do at the end of the day to relax is so fun. So ready to put all of this into my yarn stash. I'm really excited. Before I officially say goodbye, I want to talk about the sponsor for today, which is Squarespace. If you are a longtime supporter of this channel, you know that Squarespace has also been a longtime supporter of this channel. And if you don't know who Squarespace is, they're an all-in-one platform where you can create your very own website. I have always, forever, since the beginning, used Squarespace for my website, my portfolio, my online art business. Just started my mail club on there. I have started doing newsletter campaigns on there. And they just offer so many awesome things like the commerce tool to keep track of inventory and customer data, and so many awesome things that you can do on Squarespace. So if you're interested, you can go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and I have a code for you for 10% off your first purchase. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Oh, clingy.